Oh, snap. Air Jordan 13 Retro Black, Court Purple. You guys are the best. You know I like purple, I like red, I love gold. We're rolling. Yeah. You know what? Guys, enough of the crap. What is good, YouTube? It's Lamb from Sneaker Clinic. Thank you for tuning into another sneaker review video. This is not a sneaker cleaning, restoration, whatever tutorial. This is going to be a sneaker review.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain.
Air Jordan 13 Retro. Come on, guys, clap. Clap with me, please. This is a 2022 release. Let's just... Oh, what happened to my voice? I have COVID. COVID is old news. This paper is so fresh. God, the shoes. YouTube, come on. You guys are going to love this review. Just bear with me while I take the other side out. Oh, carefully put it back. There's a hole. Check out the tag, check out the top of the box, Court Purple, Lonely, Jumpy, Jumpman, right in the center. And yes, this is an OG style gray box that Jordan used to do, like long time ago, way older than you young kids. Put the shoes like so you guys can enjoy it. Yes, I'm not wearing my usual black stinky t-shirts because they're all getting dirty and I don't really wash it. So I'm gonna go a little bit colorful today. Daffy Duck. These shoes are despicable. Shit. Crap, I got all over the fake suede. That was the worst impression. So 1997, the originals actually released, and 1997, 1998, that's when Michael Jordan wore it during that season. The Breads, black and reds, the He Got Games, like you name it. Jordan Brand actually came out with a lot of different colors for this particular shoe. Some of them actually flopped, but this one, I gotta say, I think it's one of the top 10 in my opinion because the purple, you can't go wrong with black as well. What? No, I don't have a problem with black. I just said I like black. Well, I don't love black that much. No, there's nothing to do with racism. No, why do you guys always put freaking colors to... Anyways, you gotta love the fact that the upper part, the panels here, medial and lateral sides, it is all 3M. So yes, nighttime, boop, 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 put some light on it, it's going to reflect. People are gonna be like, I'm blind. That is what you need to do. You gotta love this circular bubble here, the hologram 3D with the Jumpman in the middle and the 23 in the background. That is supposed to represent the Black Panther, the cat's eyes. If you guys can't see, look at that design. Tinker Hatfield designed shoe with a little bit of help from Michael Jordan. Oh my god, the outsole. Old school herringbone traction, and yes, it does resemble the paws of the Black Panther, the cat. It's still a very lightweight shoe, very court, very low profile court feel. Do you guys see the paws? Oh my god, they're so cute. I just wanna, can I? Oh, it's so soft. It's so cute. Do you guys not see the paw shape? You guys are really slow. Now, this is done on purpose to assist in flexibility, but at the same time, it just looks so amazing that it looks like a paw. Now, carbon fiber plate. Oh, I gotta cut my nails. Gotta be careful with the carbon sexy plate. This, of course, is another hologram kind of bubble. You can actually squish it. Gotta love the fake feeling, but kind of nice. suede tongue, the lonely jumpy Jumpman right in the middle there, and of course the fakey kind of leather on the toe box. I don't know why Jordan keeps doing this. They need to give us the soft, genuine leather feel. I don't really care about creases. To be honest with you, it looks better with the freaking creases. Just stop giving us plastic crap. Old school style laces with the hidden lacing system. Very popular back in the days. The front tab there says Jordan. And of course, the newer retros, they all have a Roman numeral 13. Older shoes, the older retros, they do not have the 13, but I actually like the 13 detailing. Oh my god, I just can't stop looking at this. This is crazy. This looks like a freaking Lakers colorway Kobe Bryant. Oh, rest in peace. But this is not a Kobe Bryant shoe. This is a freaking Jordan shoe, and you just can't say no to this. Made in China, thank God. Oh, the inside insole, if you guys really care. It's just all black, blacked out with the single Jordan logo, Jumpman logo right on the heel, court purple, of course. I love the white colors on the herringbone traction to give it a little pop. It's a very clean look. I kind of think that if they use the upper panels as a court purple, they flipped it, for example, and this is all black. Maybe the pods here, the rubber pods here are white. Would it look good? Of course it looks good. It's my idea. Jordan Brand already released that colorway? I don't think so. Did they? Oh, you guys are messing with me. Let me know your thoughts. Did you cop? Did you not? Do you even care about these? Do you think these are ugly? Because they are not ugly. These are timeless designs, just like most of Tinker Hatfield's designs and Jordan shoes in general. Oh my goodness, I am glad that I did not double up. I only have one pair, and you guys want to see the 3M action? All right, PIP, picture-in-picture time. Here is the 3M in action. Oh my god, I'm blind. Making my eyes so thin, just like a Chinese person. That was extremely inappropriate and racist. All right, sorry. Almost forgot. All these sexy little circles here all around the shoe. They're supposed to represent the whiskers of the Black Panther. I think that this is double smell test. Shoe trees so sharp. Stop doing that because it looks like I'm sniffing someone's feet, kind of like foot fetish. No, I think that's extremely inappropriate for my YouTube channel. So, we're gonna wrap this video up, and please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I know that our videos are freaking cringy. Sometimes they're too long, they're a waste of time. But you know what? You're freaking watching this for a reason.